we're going to be doing a Dandy's World video. Look at all these tunes that I don't have. I only don't have all of the Halloween ones and all the Christmas ones. I almost have all of the Easter ones. Okay.
I only use my trinkets once.
No, you don't always use your trinkets once. I'm playing Dandy's World with my brother, which he's playing as Goob. There he is, right there. Oh, and Scraps. Okay. Nice. Also, I'm pretty sure a ton of people remember, which this wasn't too long ago, when the icons were square. I kind of liked that. Thank you. I have 5 stars. It would be really cool. It would be really cool if me and my brother were both recording at the same time. That'd be so cool. Sadly. In. Who's left? Bassy, get in, get in. We need to keep our Bassy. I don't need any of this. I can, but I'm not because all that stuff's... Whoop, whoop, fix it, Felix, whoop, whoop, fix it, whoop, whoop. Hey.
Oh wait, Sprout's distracting.
Oh, okay, I didn't know Sprout was distracting. Sprout could actually be a really good tune for distracting. Oh my god, box on the floor too. That's okay.
Do we have a healer that can beat that?
Technically, Bassy is a healer because she can grab band-aids and give them to us. And Sprout. Dang, your hitbox. Cosmo was close up to you. Cosmo was freaking close. Close up to you. Okay, so
I have the friendship bracelet and the light bulb.
well, I mean, you can't really like use them like items.
Scraps was on last, so he's gotta.
Bleep, bloop, bleep, bleep, blop, bleep. Okay, Scraps is gonna do it again, bro. Just use your ability. Get her in the elevator, bro. Get her in the elevator. You're not cool doing that. It's not cool. Just oh, I have enough. Woo! You Amy. The Scraps is trying to be cool by doing that. Try me, try. But they're not even doing it at last second. Which is not how you do it. Yeah, Glisten does too. Oh well, that's kind of an early blackout. What are the chances of a blackout anyway? 7. Okay. Crazy. Oh my god, Evil Shrimpo's here. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. Evil Shrimpo. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause the recording and hopefully see you guys at floor 10. So, okay guys, we made it to floor 10 and we lost a Roger. And I don't know who else. Because we still had 8 people, but we lost a Roger. We lost a Roger. Oh wait, didn't we have a Louie? Wait, we had a Louie too. Okay, so I guess Louie died too. So like, I'm scared. I need to get a trinket. I almost haven't. I'm feeling motivational. Oh my. What? That's a scarf. Have you not seen it on regular Sprout? It's a scarf. Goop would be so impressed. Why did I say it like that? This wall looks like Babette. Tell me in the comments if anyone agrees with me that that wall looks like Babette but flat.
How long have you been recording for?
I've only been recording for 6 minutes. I was planning on trying to do 15, but I'm not gonna try for 15 now. I can't believe we got Twisted Sprout. Oh my god. Well, he doesn't have Tune of the Week anymore, sadly.
I'm being chased by everybody. Now I'm being chased.
Get in, gang, get in! Get in, please! Hurry! Oh my god, he's Sprout, oh my god! And we're going for that one. The panic one. I used everything that was in my inventory. Ooh. I like this map. Right here. I'll stay with Bliss and Scraps. We can go. Beep. Louie, what? Yeah, Louie, Shrimpo, and Glisten. I think Sprout's trying to distract and stay with Glisten at the same time. Smart idea, dude. Well. Do 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 do. La la la. La 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 la. Oh, come on, that's bogus. Help me. Thank you. I was out of stamina, so like there was no possible way. Everyone get in here. What the hell? Why does everyone keep doing that? Nope. Because some people want Dandy. 10 minutes. I know. Sprouts map? No, it's a stupid gift shop map again. It's this map again. I wanted it to be Sprouts map. It would have been cool. My next best thing could be Sprout and Cosmo. Is Goob here? Because I heard someone getting pulled. I swear I heard someone getting pulled. Could I have it, or did you already take it? Dang. That's okay. Oh, and Poppy. So, Louie, Poppy, Tisha, and Yata. Okay. Good build of Twisteds. All of them are common. Yeah. Key.
See, you can fail the skill check.
I mean, yeah, someone is distracting, but still, it's not exactly ideal to miss the skill check. Oh god, Scraps. Thank you. Scraps. Get in. Bro, you do not need research that bad. Get in. Get the hell in. Get in. Now. Bruh. Get in there, you baby boo heads. About almost 13 minutes. Once I hit 15 minutes, video is over. So I'm gonna pause the recording for a bit until I die. Okay guys, so like almost everyone died. We lost almost everyone and Glisten broke out and I'm scared.
How long have
I
you
don't
been
know what the
recording?
elevator is. I've been recording for 13 minutes, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Listen, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Listen. Let me do the ending at a proper area. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And just like and subscribe for more Dandy's World. Bye, everyone.